Speaker Venkatesh, Excellence Manager, Clutchel. Thank you for the taking time to join us today. As well, we talk about the social marketing, social media marketing, or digital marketing for hospital that doctors should know. And I would like to welcome all the doctors and administrators once again. And I'll take you to the core topic today. We can classify Facebook or digital marketing for any industry, especially to hospitals, and we can classify into two major heads. One is lead generation, and another one is branding activities. And after that, I'll conclude with advantages and disadvantages of digital or Facebook marketing. And we can go ahead with the lead generation. Any person who has an interest in a hospital or its service is considered as a lead. It can be based on the reputation of the hospital or particular surgery or particular unique equipment or only for that particular doctor, etc. Based on not anyone or everyone is a lead. As a people, we have different preferences and needs. Many businesses makes a mistake or a mistake of marketing to everyone when they should focus on people who are interested in what is the company or hospital has to offer. And especially said lead generation, Facebook lead advertisements remove conversion frictions. The Facebook lead generation ads are designed with a pre-built form to be filled right on the Facebook platform. This eliminates the need of redirect users to your landing page, helping you to increase your conversions. It also help to reduce the money that you can spend on creating landing page for your lead advertisements. Facebook lead advertisements helps to reach targeted customers or patients. With Facebook lead advertisements, you don't have to speculate, or it is designed in a way that makes it easy to reach your target audience within your niche. This possible through the audience selection and optimization tool on Facebook lead advertisements. With this, you can show your lead advertisements to users that you have highly probability of filling your form. And this makes your advertisements targeted to the prospectors who are likely to convert into leads and customers into the long run. It's very cheaper than the direct marketing, as our Subhash said, given a beautiful example about billboards. And there is no doubt that by using a lead advertisements, you can definitely save money off your advertisement budget. Based on the research, Facebook lead advertisement reduce the cost per lead dramatically, sorry. And it creates a brand awareness. Facebook is the biggest social media platform, is the right place to build your brand awareness. And it makes the whole process of creating your audience and converting into a lead as easiest it can be. And it will definitely save your time. Nowadays, time is the most important key factor, especially for doctors. We have been traveling with the 17 hospitals in Coimbatore right now today. So all the doctors are extremely busy with the seeing the patient. And the digital or Facebook marketing will definitely save your valuable time. When Facebook presented lead advertisements, they announced it as tap done features. Tap done features is nothing but in a single click you can click into direct offers. In a single click you can directly, it will lead to a direct questions, not with the roaming around with the other activities. And it literally like that, it saves the user time, but it also your has it made it fast and easy for you lead creator to prepare and manage your lead advertisements. And it's a full lead generation is a fully customized tool. In fact, it is a possible to customize the Facebook instant from the different field like size, people, business, and the field of study, etc. when creating a advertisement campaigns. And I'll take you to the step by step approach to the for lead generation. And it is a little technical process to explain it. So basically it will land up with the creating a lead form. Lead form is consisting of target audience, patient date, patient and date. So finally, the lead form will give you a patient data. It can be anything. It can be patient name, phone number, email ID, and which geographical location they have come from, or which geographical location they are staying in. Like those kind of informations we will get from a lead form. And the lead form should consist of 4 to 5 questions maximum. And if you keep 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions, people will not complete the process and they'll quit immediately. And advertisement set name camp 1, and we have to set a advertisement name 1, lead generation. And in that we have to select hernia camp or dental camp or pediatric camp. We have to select it. And we should find our custom audience. It can be male or female. We have to select. And our target location, we have to select India, Tamil Nadu and Coimbatore. In that up to 2 or 3 kilometers of hospital surroundings also we can able to select in lead generation steps. And we can select the age group that whom we are going to target. It's been around I have taken an example of a dental camp, and we can select it as a dental camp, and we can the target age group is around 18 to 30 max. And the demographics, target audience might be the students or business professional example. And behavior, dental problem, what kind of problem they may face, tooth pain, dental issues or other things. And placement is something called automatically Facebook will show our advertisements randomly to our based on this selection criteria. And device mode, and mobile user, desktop user, both the devices we can able to select. And Facebook will incorporate it with Instagram. It will not work in Messenger or some other medias. And we have to select a budget. For example, per 1,000 rupees, if we select our budget, it will reach to 200 to 300 viewers or followers. It will reflect on their screen. Service value or treatment cost, we have to mention. And advertisement design, as Subhash said, the content will be the key factor for this advertisement design. It has to be single line, it has to be very crisp what we are going to sell or what we are going to promote. And the format will be single image or multiple image or the video format. It will be a continuous video format or continuous multiple images format, or in a single image we can able to display or what we are thinking. And media, add we have to select a media, and we have to image or we have to add our images or videos, upload at the fitted size. And headline will be given in an attractive way. Headline, for example, free dental checkup or free dental camp or free cancer awareness program or free cancer detecting program, something like that. We have to give a crisp headline. And primary text we should give, need to improve your smile for dental. And description should be state of art dental clinic or dedicated team is there to keep your beautiful smile. Like that we have to give an attractive description. And instant form we have to create, and like that we have to confirm it, and we have to publish the lead generation. And the other one is brand awareness. Now we'll move on to branding. Facebook paid promotion, we can able to promote our advertisements in a paid format. That will be classified into 4 major heads or automated ads, advertisements, and promoting our page by promoting our page in the paid promotion, and boosting particular post or get more leads. Automated advertisements will be we can start like this. We have to create get started and do our do you want people to come to your business location, or people have to come to hospital? If we have to select this. And you have to website, yes. And so what are the some topics audience will might like? Diabetes mellitus awareness, diabetes mellitus type 2 awareness. So like that we have to select a type and we can post. And promoting our page will be like this only. So again, we can here we can able to select our target audience age category, and we can put a budget, and we can keep it for particular days or a week, and we can promote our page. And when come to Facebook branding, I have classified into these heads: maintain brand awareness, service launch, festive or social engagements, trending post, topical marketing, and social issues and milestone achievements of the particular hospital, and employer branding. Maintaining brand awareness is the most important thing. Brand awareness is a marketing term that describes a degree of consumers' recognition of a product by its name. And creating brand awareness is a key step in promoting a new service or reviving an older brand. So always we'll remember by saying, by a couple of examples I have given in the screen. So the logo itself will give us the brand name: Kovai Medical Center and Hospital, Esther Medicity, Manipal Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Touching Lives, Lives On, will well treat you well. Like that, it will give you brand awareness by seeing your logo. And second one is service launch. In hospital, we'll launch many services every year. We used to open we can inaugurate a specialty, or we can inaugurate a new service, or we can invite a new doctor that we have to communicate to the community. And new department if we open, for example, if the hospital is opening on new specialty like IVF, ICU, NICU, or dialysis unit, and we have to launch this service in digital platform. And new services, existing services also, we can remunerate, and we can display it in, I mean, we can launch it in the social media. New services: EEG, sleep studies, sample collection, ambulance services, delivery of free medicine. These are all very small services, but still, if we launch it in a proper way, that will give us good in terms of return. And new clinical specialty: neurosurgery, cardiothoracic surgery, or OBG, or anything. New modern or updated equipment that we have, 32 slice CT, or MRI, or laparoscopic instruments, or 3D detecting machines. If we have something, we can able to launch our product or service through digital platform that will give us good return. And festive or health days engagements are very, very important. And again, this branding will not give you patients directly. It will tell you that our hospital, or particular doctor, or particular service is existing in the community. And we have so many important festivals to celebrate, or important health days to make awareness in digital platform: World Cancer Day, World Autism Awareness Day, World Health Day, World Malaria Day, or Rabies Day, Arthritis Day, and Diabetes Day, AIDS Day. All these health days and important festivals, doctors can talk about any particular day topic, and they can give awareness to the community. That will give us good weightage to the particular doctor and good weightage to the particular hospital. And trending topics, this we used to call it as topical marketing. And now the recent trend in India, especially in all over the world, we have new variant of COVID, that Omicron. And like that, trending topics can be marketed. And the seasonal flu viruses, or fever due to the rain season, and wheezing issues among the pediatric patients in the season of winter, importance of COVID vaccination, and how it will work. We can able to give a trending topics. We can use it trending topics to promote our hospital or services in the digital platform. And social issues, of course, 1 in 100 will voice out for social issues. We can create a post or doctor's talk or messages related to healthcare related to social issues. And I have listed you some common health issues related to the community: physical activity and importance of nutrition. Overweight, as well said, Subhash sir, overweight and obesity about he given a snap. And tobacco, awareness about tobacco and the usage. And drug abuses, substance abuses, we can give I mean, doctors can talk about the social issues related to the particular hospital or related to a particular service. HIV or AIDS awareness, mental health, addiction to mobile or game among the youngsters or student community, injury and violence against the hospital or doctors. And environmental quality, like pollution control and immunization, importance and causes of diseases, the new diseases. And success stories of immunization we can share to relate to social issues, and access to healthcare, and milestones of achievements of the particular hospital. We can propagate, we can propaganda our achievements in a digital platform, like our hospital may get NABH accreditation, NABL certification, transplantation certification. It can be a center of excellence for that particular specialty or particular surgery, and best hospital or best doctor award we made, our CMD could have got, and lifetime achievement awards. And like this we can we can promote our achievements or milestones in social media platform. And our key resource and key resource numericals, we can post it in our platform, like 5,000 plus deliveries or surgeries, 1 lakh plus deliveries, 500 plus doctors we have, and no scar surgery and keyhole surgery. Like that we can able to promote our key resource areas or key resource parameters numericals in the social media platform. Finally, employer branding. Employer branding is a communication strategy focused on hospital founder or chairman or potential doctor, or a unique qualification or achievement of that particular doctor. Bring together all the branding and communication elements instead to enhance the value of belonging to a particular hospital, with ultimate goal of retaining the brand and attracting more. And finally, advantages of Facebook or digital marketing. Facebook is undoubtedly a big daddy of social media, and towering over the rest of social media with over 2.7 billion user accounts. That's a huge number for a total audience. More than 1.37 billion active users visits Facebook daily every day. And Facebook offers multiple platforms for marketing in the form of pages, groups, and advertisements. Facebook page for an individual or a business in the most popular way to represent an individual or a business. A group page can be opened by the business or organization to promote their own activities, and user can join this group and also post comments on the group page called wall. And they can also interact through discussions over there. And second, low marketing expenses. Small business need to have a website, which obviously would cost money to develop, host, and maintain. Instead, a Facebook page for a small set of hospitals can be created free of cost, and any content can be uploaded in this page. Even a small business can start a Facebook page and display all their information about the services at virtually no cost. Then there are Facebook advertisements, which enables you to target your potential customers. Since Facebook collects a number of demographic attributes for all the users, these can be utilized while creating target audience for your advertisements. And ability to target potential customers. Facebook advertisements have a unique facility which allows you to target potential customers based on their demographic and interest. For instance, and if you wish to expose your advertisements to young business owners, you could choose demographic at the age of below 35, middle class lifestyle, residing at large cities with interest in business or marketing. And developing brand loyalty. Facebook allows easy and quick interaction between customers and business or a service from the hospital. It is also easy to respond to customer, which promotes brand loyalty. Quick customer interaction means you can provide effective customer support by posting a message for the customer, which instantly shows upon his or her Facebook page. Young people are increasingly turning to Facebook for online search or products or services. If your followers see that you are responsive to the queries, seeds of loyalty are shown right here. And increasing your web traffic through suitable links, Facebook user can be guided to your website. and these users likely to be more respective because they choose to go to the website voluntarily by clicking on the link. Once on your landing page, the visitor can be exposed to more direct marketing pitch in the form of call action, or asking them to view a product or service that you can offering, and useful information or Facebook insights. Once you have made with the Facebook advertisements, you can get a lot of useful information through Facebook insights, data on the number of pages, likes, total reach of your particular post, or people engaged in that particular post, is provided by the Facebook as a matter of course. Some useful data about individual post performance also made available. Facebook advertisement managers let you track the range of performance metrics, which helps or measure the impressions, number of time was shown, and reach, number of people who saw your advertisement, and frequency, number of times visitors go through your advertisements. It also measures the number of times specific actions such as page likes, post comments, and shares, etc. Finally, disadvantages of social media or social media marketing, and we have loss of control. Facebook was designed in an interactive online forum that encourages members to share information via photos and video clips, links, and written posts, while account owners ultimately have control of what remain on their public profile. Therein a little control over who posts the information and what post has been contained. It is relatively easy to a competitor or angry customer or dissatisfied employee to post an unhealthy comments in or inflammatory to your business, or to the Facebook wall. Even well-meaning post may use language or photos that are not in line with the image that you want to maintain your business. Maintaining vigilant control over the content that appears on the Facebook page takes time and effort to approved content monitors, and which can be costly and time consuming for small business owners, and it's a cost maintenance. Content pages must be continually be uploaded in a new information that readers will find useful, beneficial, or interesting in Facebook marketing to be effective. And this requires development of detailed innovation social media marketing strategy, a costly investment for small advertising budgets. And Facebook marketing strategies include video products, demonstration, interactive forums, and other online contests, all of which must be created, uploaded, monitored, and maintained by a business owner, staff member, or social media advertisement agency. And the third one is competition. Marketing platform executed via Facebook are open to easy duplication by the competitors, and it reveals the business owners can easily post as friend or fans to gain access to your content. Photos, artwork, and other images posted in your site can easily accessed by or reused by visitors, and can show up in other places you may not approve of. And professionalism take place in disadvantage. Social media platform like Facebook were created to facilitate the casual sharing of information that may not mesh with the professional reputation that you want to establish for your hospital. For example, Facebook marketing is a nightclub needs to be vastly different from Facebook marketing a doctor's offline or law practice. Care must be taken to develop and maintain a Facebook presence, and that reflects your corporate philosophy, or it could place your company at the disadvantage. And finally, advertising cost. While basic Facebook pages are free of charge for personal uses, business accounts that features advertising opportunities come up with the price tagging attached. This added promotional expenses can be a disadvantage for a small setup hospitals. And these are all the overall steps and advantages, disadvantages, lead generation, branding activities of social media marketing, especially related to Facebook.
Thank you so much once again for both the speakers and for our management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, all the doctors. Thank you, everyone.